Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. If you want to grow your business, leads generates or increasing sales using Google Ads, then you must understand the different types of Google Ads campaign. In this video, I will explain the different types of Google Ads, when to use them and one is best for the business. Let's go. Firstly, we know that what is Google Ads. Google Ads is a way to organize your ads based on your marketing goals. Each campaign type is designed for a specific objective such as website traffic, leads, brand awareness or sales. Google Ads offer multiple types of campaigns, but choosing the right one is the very important for success. Number 1, search campaign. Search campaign is the most popular campaign of Google Ads. These ads appear on Google search result when someone searches keywords related to your business. For example, if someone searches dentist near me, your text ad can appear at the top of Google. Best for lead generation, high intent customer service based business. Number 2, display campaign. Display campaigns show your image or banner across the millions of website, blog in the Google Display Network. These ads are great for brand awareness and retargeting. Best for brand visibility, retargeting website visitor and low cost impression. Number 3, video campaign. Video campaigns show video YouTube and other video partner site. These ads can appear before, during or after videos. Best for brand awareness, storytelling or YouTube marketing. Number 4, shopping campaign. Shopping campaigns are mainly used in e-commerce business. They show product image, price and store names directly in Google search result. Best for online stores, product based business. Number 5, performance max type. Performance max type is an all-in-one campaign type. Your ads can appear across display, YouTube, search, Gmail, Discover. If any needed, please contact me on WhatsApp or drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.